Hi, I'm Deeksha Chhabra. I'm a fitness expert and founder of Deeksha Chhabra Fitness Consultations. And in this video, I will show you very easy, quick, and effective exercises that will work on your belly fat and help you to get that strong core look. So let's get started. We'll start with our first exercise, which is planks. Planks activate your entire core and is the most effective exercise to work on your belly flap. Come on all fours and make a straight line with your body from your neck to spine. It should be straight and firm. In case you have weak wrists and this seems painful to you, you can come down on your elbows too. Hold this position for 40 seconds or how much ever you can hold. Rest for 20 seconds and let's switch to the next exercise. Now moving on to the next exercise, which is butt-ups. Butt-ups is a progressive movement that works on your lower abs. Lie down straight, hands by your side and extend your legs 2 to 3 inches above the floor. Now from here, lift your legs up and push your butts above the floor with force. This will create an anti-gravitational force against your core muscles, which will challenge your belly fat. Remember, breathing should be normal and at all times your legs are above the floor while extending too. We'll do this 10 to 15 times or 40 seconds, after which you can rest for 20 seconds. Knee tucks is again an explosive movement that works on the concept of creating anti-gravitational stress around the core muscles. Lie down flat on the floor, hands by your side. Now lift your legs together, making a 90 degree with your knees while breathing in, and extend your legs while breathing out. While extending your legs, maintain a height of 2 to 3 inches from the floor with legs to maintain the tension in the core muscle. Again, this needs to be done for 10 to 15 times or 40 seconds in continuation, followed with 20 seconds break. Body saw is a progression of elbow plank. And let me tell you, a simple to and fro movement can take your core engagement to greater heights. Come on an elbow plank, nice and straight, and from here, move your entire body like a saw, forward and backward, maintaining the plank all times. We will again do this 10 to 15 times or 40 seconds or more in continuation, followed with a short break. Reverse plank dips are little underrated exercise. To do this, sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Place your palms facing your butt. Press into your palms and lift your hips and torso towards the ceiling. Look up to the ceiling, keep your arms and legs straight. From here, drop your hips on the floor for a microsecond and then come up. Squeeze your core and try to pull your belly button back toward your spine. We'll do this for 40 seconds or 15 repetitions in continuation, followed with a break.